to my channel, and today we're just going to be showing you how to do a natural brow. So easy to do, and we're only going to use 2 things. So if that's what you're interested in, stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer, and this is in the color Tan Neutral. And we're going to take an angled brush just like this. You can get this anywhere. I take just a dab of this color right here. You don't need a lot. And I'm going to hold my mirror close. You are just going to draw the brow that you want. So this really works for people that don't have a lot of eyebrow hair, or you want to change the shape of your brow sometimes. This allows you to do that, in my opinion. So I'm growing in my eyebrows right now, but so I want them to look a little thicker. So I'm going to just create my own brow with that line. Do you see how I extended the hairs that I don't have? I made it look like I do because I'm going to color that part in. So I like to call this the reverse method because normally people draw their brow and then they clean it up with concealer, but I'm literally drawing my brow with concealer first, then filling it in. And I'm going to draw how wide I want it, even if there's not a lot of hair there. And connect the end. I have already made a brow shape that I want. That is not, this is my other one. Look at that. This is the shape that I want. And see how easy that was? We're literally just using 2 products. Now there's, y'all, did you see that? I just put the concealer in my hair. It's like a highlight. We're gonna leave that. That's kind of cute, little blonde. But okay, so let's do the other brow. I'm going to start at the front. Notice there is no hair, and I'm going to create the hairs. You see how I created hair? There was none there. But you can kind of see now even better where you need to color in your brow. Okay. You guys see how I've made 2 thick brows where at first I had nothing. Then I'm going to go in with the next product that I love so much. This product right here. This is the NYX Tame and Frame, and I use the color Espresso, and it's a pomade like this. Then you're going to want another angled brush. I have 2, and I like this one too because it has the little spoolie on the other side that comes in handy after you're done. But this is how it looks, just an angled brush. I'm going to dip it into the pomade, just a few swipes. I'm going to lightly color in any of the spaces. So you're basically like coloring in the lines that you created for yourself. So it's so easy. I like this consistency because you can't really overdo it if you just lightly touch this, and it's not going to give you that dark, harsh brow. And if you want more, you can kind of just go back in it and make it dark. Especially for the front, you just kind of want to be real light-handed because you don't want it to look too boxy. This is going to give you such a natural looking brow. You see guys right here how we have created a brow. I'm going to go back in with this angled brush that I used, and I'm just going to grab that line and pull it down. Because you don't want to disrupt that line because that is what is making your brow look so even, and you just smooth it in. You can just, I use my finger sometimes and just do that. I'm going to do the same thing with the top. You're just smoothing out that concealer. And as you guys can see here, I have created a brow that was not there. I did not have hairs there, but it looks like I do. It looks like I have thick, full brows. See how there's no hairs there? Let's do this one in fast motion. Alright guys, so as you can can see here, I have filled in this brow with hairs. You all, it was only using 2 products, a concealer of your choice, and if you like the one I use, I will link it, and a pomade of your choice. There are so many different ways to do your brows. This is just one method and one way that I do more times than most, and I call it the reverse method, and I love it. The last thing you can do to make your brow look even more realistic is take your spoolie and just brush up your hairs and kind of just mix in that pomade, and it makes it look even more natural. You can just go back and forth. If you want your eyebrows darker, you can go in and just keep applying the pomade. They'll get darker. But right now, I just want a really realistic brow, and I definitely feel like that's what I achieved today. And yeah, let's go add the rest of our makeup so you guys can see just how this just flows together. Alright guys, and we are back, and as you can see here, I have put on my makeup and it looks like I just have natural brows. This is nothing over the top. This is just making it look like I have full brows. Let me get in closer. And there you go. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Jesus loves you. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.